So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and once again this is Inday the vlogger, and you are now watching for another episode of my channel. Now I do aware na daghan kog utang nga video sa inyo ha guys, with my viewers, with my subscribers, but definitely I'll try to make it up to you guys. And this is the video, one of the video na I wanted you all guys to see. Yesterday I was able to join and was able to see the Rose Pharmacy Live and Love event, which happened and held at Ayala Central Block Mall in IT Park, Cebu City. It was even my first time to be in the actual Ayala Mall, new Ayala Mall in IT Park yesterday, inside mismo sa building, so, or inside the mall. So it's really my first time, and it was a bit huge, and I was overwhelmed. It's because I wasn't even I don't know where and which way do I need to go, but anyhow, good thing I was with the BYC, ang aking kapamilya, kapuso, diba? Bisaya YouTubers Club. So let's talk about Rose Pharmacy event. Live and Love, they chose this because they want to celebrate and bringing out the best in oneself. So it's more of this kind of campaign is more on encouraging ourselves to love and to take care of ourselves, of course. And as we all know, that Rose Pharmacy is one of top caliber pharmacies that we do have here in the Philippines. I do believe that this campaign is really working, and at the same time they are giving out discounts and affordable prices to all our Filipino community. So there, and with a health and beauty fair happened yesterday, as you're gonna be seeing after this. It was actually sponsored by Guardian, Rose Pharmacy Generics, Johnson & Johnson, Unilever, Procter & Gamble, Flanax, Bonamine, Salonpas, Pen Shop, Sensodyne, Betadine, and Cetaphil. So those actually one of the biggest products that we've known, and surely our moms, parents, students are using this one of the products, definitely. And surely you're buying most of the products at Rose Pharmacy, right? So anyhow, for valued customers of Rose Pharmacy, you would still or you could still avail their featured Live and Love products at your local pharmacy nearest branch to in your area, which will be up until April 5th of 2020. If ever you wish to see more of the details, more updates with Rose Pharmacy, do not forget to visit their Facebook page at facebook.com/Rose Pharmacy Inc. I'll definitely put it under the description box below so that you would be able to double check it and visit the site. And please guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my video, please don't forget to hit like, comment down below, and at the same time click subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you will always be updated to my vlogs. Anyhow guys, I hope you do enjoy this video, so keep on watching.